Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an elderberry tincture. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final storage, ensuring you can create a potent and beneficial herbal remedy right in your own kitchen. This guide simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone, even if you are new to herbal preparations. Let's get started on crafting your own natural wellness support. To begin, you'll need dried elderberries, which are readily available online or at health food stores. For the solvent, choose a high-proof alcohol, such as vodka or brandy, that is at least 80 proof. You will also need a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid for the maceration process, and later, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Now, combine your ingredients. A good ratio is 1 part dried elderberries to 2 parts alcohol by volume. Place the elderberries in your glass jar, then pour the alcohol over them, ensuring all berries are submerged. Seal the jar tightly and shake it gently each day for a period of 4 to 6 weeks. Store the jar in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. After the maceration period, it's time to strain your tincture. Place a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a clean bowl and pour the contents of your jar through it. Press the soaked elderberries firmly to extract every last drop of the potent liquid. Finally, transfer your finished elderberry tincture into dark glass dropper bottles for optimal preservation and easy use. It will last for a long time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.